Hi friends, how are you? Welcome you once again to my channel, My Perfume, My Passion. So this episode is in the continuation of the last video, the Oud formulation part 1. In this session, we'll make the synthetic oud with aromatic chemicals. In the previous video, we have made the oud blend with natural oils. Those of you who have missed the part 1, please do watch the episode. It will be of great help. So let's begin. I will tell you the names of the aroma chemicals for your ready reference, which I will use in this session, like labdanum, benzoin, capinon, isoe-super, cedra amber, galaxolide, timberol, and in the last cashmeran. All these aroma chemicals are very easily available in the market in a very small quantity. If you check in the market, you will get it. Except cashmeran, all the chemicals are of low price. Only the cashmeran is having some expensive one. So now we'll start combination number 1. Here we'll start with the labdanum, benzoin, isoe-super and capinon. So we'll start with labdanum. Here it is, and we have to take the labdanum. Labdanum and benzoin are very thick, so we have to use with the solution that's called 50% solution. And here people have to tell me which solution I have used, or you can ask me in the descriptions or in the comments that which solution I have used. So we'll start. We'll take labdanum 50% solution, 3 ml. Labdanum. This is 50% solution, not a pure labdanum. Okay, so 3 ml. Now benzoin, again 3 ml, 50% solution. Now isoe-super, 2 ml. And in the end, capinon, again 2 ml. This is blend number 1, where I've used aroma chemicals like labdanum and benzoin likewise. Okay. So this is the combination number 1. So now we'll make combination number 2, where we required cedra amber, galaxolide, timberol and cashmerol. So we'll start with cedra amber, that is 5 ml. So cedra amber 5 ml. Sorry. This is cedra amber 5 ml. Then galaxolide 2 ml. So galaxolide 2 ml. then timberol 1 ml. So timberol 1 ml. Now in this combination number 2, where we have used all the white material, we are using now cashmere. Cashmere is a quite expensive material, so we will take as a solution of 10%, right? 10% solution of cashmere, and it is just 1 ml, so it's here. So we have added the cashmere as well. Good. So gentlemen, this is a blend number 2 where we have used all the colorless material. Now this is almost colorless. Here cashmere has played a wonderful role, not only giving the boost to the compound, it works as a rounding agent, means controlling the excess notes. Now the difference between those two compounds is that this is a dark color, this is a light color. Woody, herbal, strong, musky. Compound number 2 is fresh, woody, light, musky. Both the compounds are based on the aroma chemicals. Both compounds are oud based woody fragrance, but it smells differently from each other, like morning and night. This one morning oud, and the blend number 1 night oud. The good thing of these compounds are that you can use them in any oud compound or any ready-made available perfumes. Compound number 1 will increase the lasting of the fragrance, and compound number 2 will work as a booster. In any compound, any perfumes you can add it. It will be your secret compound, or it will be your secret of making perfumes. Friends, before I end this, those of you who are interested in perfume making, write me the names of the solvent where I have used labdanum and benzoin as a solvent. So you have to tell me the name of the solvent, or you can ask me which solvent I have used. So you have to write in the comments or just mail me. Thank you very much once again. Do watch my next video where I will tell you the names of some special chemicals who works wonder in the perfumes. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.